Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create and access Hugging Face tokens. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Hugging Face. You'll be getting the first link as huggingface.co. Just click this. So once you're in the homepage of their website, you need to create an account and sign in. Okay, I have already signed in, that's why I'm having my profile picture over here. Just click on the rightmost top and you need to click on settings. And in the settings, if you just scroll down, you'll be having this access tokens. Click that, and if you click this, you'll be having the user access tokens, and we'll be having an option to create a new token. Just click that, and this is the create token option. So you can just have a token name, and you have two options, which is the token type, which is read and write. So it depends upon you. So here is the purpose for you to read, and this is the purpose for you to write, creating a write or read token. So I'll just go with the read token, and you need to give a name. I'll just give it as illusion. This is totally up to you, and just click on create token. That's it. You can just copy this and use it when you are using any model from Hugging Face. You want to copy this and paste it there, and just click on done. And in case if you don't want to use this token, you can just click this and just delete it or invalidate and refresh it. So I'll just delete this and okay, that's it. The token will be gone. And in case if you want to know more about these access tokens, you can just Google access tokens Hugging Face. You'll be getting the first link, and here you'll be having an entire documentation. What are this and everything, the read and the write. You can just go through it. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools, as well as Gemini AI, OpenAI APIs. So check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.